Welcome to Car Hub. This is the Lexus ES 300 is one of those cars that quietly delivers luxury, comfort, and long-term reliability. First introduced in the early 1990s, the ES 300 quickly gained a reputation as the perfect entry-level luxury sedan. It offered everything people loved about Lexus: a smooth ride, refined design, and bulletproof dependability, all at a reasonable price. Under the hood, the ES 300 came with a 3.0-liter V6 engine, producing around 200 horsepower. That might not sound like a powerhouse today, but back in the 90s, it was more than enough for effortless highway cruising and smooth city driving. The engine was paired with a responsive automatic transmission, and it focused more on quiet comfort than aggressive speed. Inside, the ES 300 was all about understated luxury. Soft leather seats, wood grain trim, and a whisper-quiet cabin created an upscale feel without being flashy. Everything was built with quality in mind, from the dashboard buttons to the sound insulation. It was designed to make every drive relaxing, whether it was a long road trip or just a commute to work. The suspension was tuned for comfort, and while it wasn't a sports sedan, the ES 300 handled corners with confidence and grace. It was a car built for real life, reliable, smooth, and classy, without screaming for attention. Today, older models of the Lexus ES 300 are still on the road, proving just how well built they were. It became a favorite for drivers who wanted luxury without high maintenance costs or flashy designs. The ES 300 helped define what Lexus is known for today: comfort, quality, and a driving experience that feels like luxury done right.